Hello, Hendrick-Hudson community. This is Superintendent Michael A. Trombley, and I'm pleased to share an important and encouraging update regarding ongoing efforts to help our district address the long-term financial impacts following the closure of Indian Point. Legislation introduced by Senator Pete Harckham and Assemblymember Dana Levenberg has successfully passed both the New York State Senate and Assembly, and is now awaiting the governor's signature. If signed into law, this legislation would extend the Electric Generation Facility Cessation Mitigation Fund for an additional 5 years. This is critically important legislation for our district and our community. As many in our community know, the closure of Indian Point created a significant financial challenge for the Hendrick-Hudson School District and for our broader community. For decades, Indian Point represented a substantial source of revenue that helped support our schools, our students, and local taxpayers, providing between 25% and 30% of the district's budget. The loss of that revenue has required our district to navigate extraordinarily difficult financial circumstances while continuing to protect the educational opportunities our students deserve. I want to be very clear about something. This legislation does not solve every financial challenge facing the Hendrick-Hudson School District. The transition away from the historic revenues associated with Indian Point remains a significant long-term issue, and there is still important work ahead, locally as well as at both the state and federal levels.
Our work is not done. We have done the first step, and that is to pass a legislation. Our advocacy continues, and so today we respectfully encourage and urge the governor to sign this bill as soon as possible to give all of these taxing entities the certainty they need to move forward. But we're off to a good start. The hardest hurdle is over with, and now we advocate for the governor to sign the bill.
The Cessation Fund extension is something very, very important, and hopefully after you did this wonderful, wonderful banner saying thank you, you can all write letters to the governor asking her to please sign the bill into law.
But this legislation would represent a major victory for our students, our taxpayers, and our entire community. An additional 5 years of support would provide meaningful stability as we continue the difficult work of transitioning away from the significant revenues that Indian Point once provided. It would help ease this transition and reduce some of the financial challenges our district and community will face in the years ahead. Just as importantly, this legislation demonstrates what meaningful advocacy and partnership can accomplish. In education, many people speak about supporting children and supporting communities, but when difficult decisions arise, meaningful action can sometimes be much harder to find. In this case, Senator Harckham and Assemblymember Levenberg have truly delivered for the Hendrick-Hudson community. Their advocacy has been strong, consistent, thoughtful, and deeply informed by the realities facing our district and our residents. They have spent significant time listening to our community, understanding the long-term implications of the Indian Point closure, and fighting for practical solutions that help protect our students and taxpayers alike. On behalf of the Hendrick-Hudson School District, I want to sincerely thank Senator Harckham and Assemblymember Levenberg for their leadership, their partnership, and their continued commitment to our community.
This extension of the Cessation Fund really makes a big difference in helping us to all plan together. We all really care deeply, and we hope that our federal representatives hear us, but our state representatives absolutely did hear us. And I am so thankful to Senator Harckham, Assemblywoman Levenberg, and everybody who stepped up, and especially your leader over here, Superintendent Trombley, really pushed and make sure that we all paid attention to you guys. So to the students, we are so thankful to both Senator Harckham and Assemblywoman Levenberg for doing the hard work and making sure that we're able to continue getting the funding that we need so that we can continue to educate our children.
We also respectfully urge Governor Hochul to sign this important legislation into law. This legislation matters. It matters for our students, it matters for our taxpayers, and it matters for the long-term stability and future of the Hendrick-Hudson community.